Hello guys, I'm very happy to be here today and I would like to welcome all of you to the Woodin store. Today is Thursday, we're going to have DIY section, which is something we do every month to help our lovely and cherished customers. My name is Hamid and I'll be your stylist for today. So today I'm going to be working with more of the graffiti Woodin, which is quite recent. And it's very, very versatile. It's really good for creatives, fashion designers, stylists, fashion lovers. It comes in different colors, and then it's a very close-knit fabric that is really, really easy to work with. And then let me introduce you again to another, which is the jeans Woodin. It actually came with the jeans d'Afrique, which is more of the pret-à-porter. But then these are the fabrics that they have in the shops nationwide that you can buy and equally use. It's more for everyone, but for people who love colors. So today that is what I'm going to be working with. More of the jeans Woodin and the graffiti Woodin. And I would like to introduce you to one of Ghana's finest models. She's been working with Woodin over the years. She shot for Woodin for the recent jeans d'Afrique, which is the pret-à-porter. Ladies and gentlemen, Karen Abib. You can find her on Instagram as Miss K. And so this is Woodin. You can follow us on YouTube, The Nation is Coming, or Instagram, Woodin Fashion. Woodin, le créateur. Welcome back. It's been me, Hamid, your stylist. We're here at the Woodin store in Osu on the Oxford Street. And the first thing I'm going to run by you is the wrap blouse. And we're using jeans Woodin. Reason we're doing the wrap blouse today is the fashion season is just around the corner and it's summer all year round in this our part of the world. So for fashion enthusiasts to be free during the fashion season, we decided to opt for. So after dividing it into or folding it into two equal halves, I'll just place the middle section over her head, all the way to the back of her neck. So I have it sitting in front like this. For viewer discretion, we decided to put this camisole on her so we don't do too much of expose because we might have some children watching who might want to equally learn how to do the wrap blouse. After, you definitely see how it looks. You don't necessarily have to put a camisole on before you wrap this when you're doing it to step out. And so you make sure you fold them in for them to sit very well. And then I'll take the left side, I'll put my hand right beneath her bra cap, and then I'll bring it across this way. And then I'll bring it right back here. Let me hold this. Then I'll do the same with this side. So put my hand on it, wrap it again this way, and bring it around. While you're at it, don't forget that the edges might be just hanging all over the place. So you just have to put it in place so that the edges come out looking as neat as possible. So now I have two ends in front like this. You get. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to knot it in the desired way that I want. I think she being a model, being a lady, I would opt for a bow. If not, I'll just do half a bow and leave one end hanging, just to put a little twist to it. After this, we might have to do a little bit of pinning or stitching if you so desire. So I'll make a bow out of this. It looks chic already. Pin it from inside. Make sure the pin is not popping out of the fabric. And then when you're finishing it up, you position the tip of the pin in a way that it wouldn't poke her at any point in time. So you push it in. So you need to stay in between the knitting of the fabric. When I'm doing things like this, I tell my viewers, I tell my guests that you don't need to do trends. You always make sure you do style, right? So how you wear it and how you rock it will make it look stylish. Although you might be doing trends, but your approach to it makes it look more stylish and it looks different. Someone might think, oh, this is something different you're wearing or something different you're putting together. But actually, it is the normal thing that you have done with our first wrap blouse. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube. The Nation is coming. On Instagram, Woodin Fashion. Stay creative, stay fashionable, be you. Woodin, the creator.